In all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Mohit Gupta for scoring a topmost rank number 132 in DM Medical Group in NEET SS session 2023. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir.
Can we know your brief background of where you started till date?
Yes, sir. Sir, basically, I am from Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan. I have done my MBBS from NDMC Medical College and Hindurao Hospital, New Delhi, and from my MD from RML Hospital, New Delhi. I have completed my MD this year only in July.
So you are a freshly done and finished
Yes, sir.
postgraduate and a fresher for SS, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what magic you did?
So basically, during my MD times, I used to read about patients from wards and OPD from Harrison. That was very helpful. And for my MD examination also, I read previous year questions from Harrison. And second most helpful thing for me was TEET's live classes. Their timing 7 to 9 p.m. was very convenient for me most of the time. And the classes were very informative. They used to cover most of the topics from Harrison, especially Dheeraj sir for gastroenterology, Arun sir for rheumat, Azim sir cardio, Vidushi ma'am and Pahuja sir for SP were very good. Their classes were very informative. They used to add case scenarios in their classes, which made topics very interesting, and sometimes jokes that made classes very good. I was able to attend their classes even after a long tiring day. After doing my MD duties, I was able to attend their classes. And sir, after my MD examination, I started preparing for MCQs. For MCQ, I used speeds. Grand tests were very helpful, and rapid revision classes were also good. And during my NEET exam, sometimes for some question, I felt like the questions were made by speed faculty only, especially gastro. Dheeraj sir was very good.
Very nice. Very nice. So how many questions did you attend in the exam?
So I attended all 150 questions.
Oh, very good. All one full go.
Yes,
Full
sir.
attempt. So did you watch all the videos in the app?
So I was not able to watch all the live classes because of my duties. But the topics that were missed during live classes, I was able to attend from rapid revision course.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So a rapid revision course was just before the exam.
Yes, sir. It was very helpful. In 2 days only, they were covering almost all the topics.
So it's a quick run through of the entire syllabus
Yes, sir. Yes,
for
sir.
just before the exam. How
Yes.
many grand exams you would have given?
Sir, I gave only 4 to 5 grand exams. I think I should have given more. That would have improved.
Okay. Now, what is the interest in super specialty that you are into?
I like doing interventions, so I would go for gastro.
Okay. So gastro.
Yes, sir.
So very good. Now, what is the message that you want to give to your juniors or friends who are aspiring for DM super specialty?
So if you're preparing for NEET SS, I will say that you should read Harrison as much as possible. And along with Harrison, Speed's Harrison-based videos are very good. They cover almost all the topics that are asked in exams and in very short time.
So, I mean, when did you actually start preparing from Speed? I mean, is it after you were...
So I started Speed classes, live classes in January. That time I was able to attend only 2 hours classes in
you were
evening
in
only.
third year that time?
Yes, sir, in third year only.
Okay.
In January.
So you clubbed 2 purposes in one go.
Yes, sir. That was also helpful for my MD exams also.
Final year exam.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So what is that you want to convey? One single line that you want to tell your juniors that this should be done. That will be better.
So Harrison should be done. And for if you are not able to read Harrison, you can watch Speed's Harrison-based videos. They are a good alternate. And before final exam, you should go for grand test as many as possible.
Okay. Now, time to thank whom all you want to thank. You can do so who helped you to bring this up.
I would like to thank my parents, my sister who supported me all the time. And most importantly, I would like to thank Speed and my college faculty who are the source of most of my knowledge and motivation.
Very nice, Doctor. Great. Great interacting with you. And we once again wish you all the very best and a great career in gastroenterology and as a DM gastroenterologist. And I think you are going to do wonders in treating your patients, especially through intervention, especially as you wish to have to do ERCP based, whatever the intervention which are
Yes, sir.
applicable endoscopically. Yes, and you'll be well versed and you'll be doing masters in that, and you'll be definitely doing a great job in patients coming to you. For that, advanced wishes. All the best and all the success. Once again, I bring it from Speed Medical Institute to you, doctor.
Thank you so much, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.